Heavy snow leaves the landscape white and homeowners in the dark. Thousands remain without power.
A winter storm blows into town, pounding our area with up to 18 inches of heavy snow. But this winter wonderland is a nightmare for thousands of people who are in the dark tonight.
Coastline residents work into the night to push the Atlantic out of their homes.
It battered the coastline, buried the hills, and turned off the lights in thousands of homes. And some tired people are still trying to get those lights turned back on.
In the western part of the state, the problem can be summed up as too much snow outside, no heat inside. Even with the help of repair crews from as far away as Canada, thousands are still without power in Worcester County.
The soft, silent woods draped white in wintry grace gave no hint of how disastrous this storm was to the middle of Massachusetts. Underneath all this winter beauty lies the answer to why this storm did so much damage in central Massachusetts. Ice, coating everything, weighing everything down. The weight of all that ice and snow snapped major power lines. Crews from as far away as Canada worked on repairs and hurried to shake other lines free before they snapped.
I think it's worse than the one we had in '78.
How come?
All the snow, it's tough to get in here. It was wet. You got 2 feet of snow here trying to get in here.
No electricity in the house.
So you figured you'd just come out for a ride?
Yeah, exactly. No electricity, no food in the house. I mean, you can't cook, can't see anything.
I think this was definitely one of the worst storms that we've seen, in particular just the restoration efforts in dealing with the elements.
Mass Electric, this is Kathy. Can I help you? And where do you live, ma'am? Monmouth Road in Worcester? All right, ma'am. Hold on just one moment, please.
Okay, do you have power? Last name? And what street are you on? And there are lines down?
He's still in Auburn, still doing various scats. He has plenty to do. The only thing is, what he wants to do is he's just calling them as he gets them repaired so we can clear them off the screen.
All right, we'll try and make a phone call to them and let them know it.
That's a service line down in the driveway and on a car block. 91 Bryn Mawr, Brynmawr.
Tonight in Revere, Tanya Apolinario and her family are living by candlelight without electricity or heat. Theirs and their neighbors' backyards are more than waist deep in water. Their basements all flooded.
Terrible things. That's all I can tell you. I never saw that before, not my house.
Tanya's home is one of 100 without electricity in the hard-hit Beachmont section of Revere. The power shut off as a precaution following the electrocution of a man who went into his flooded basement.
If we tried to energize it, there'd be electricity that would get into the water, and it would start, first of all, it would fault, would have a shot, if someone could get severely injured by having the water get electrified.
As you head west from 128 tonight, there's plenty of snow, but not enough electricity. More than 14,000 Massachusetts electric customers are still without power in central Mass, and that means no heat.
I'm in. How we doing? For Mass Electric Company. We've got some tree crews that'll be here in about 10 or 15 minutes, and hopefully we'll have your power back on in about an hour, okay?